Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video I'm going to show you is how to insert a drop down list in Microsoft Excel 2016. This will work in the Excel online version as well in Office 365. So how do we insert a drop down list in Excel 2016? So what I have here is a table of different foods and the department each food will come from in a superstore. So we're going to focus on three different departments. We're going to focus on produce, meat and bakery. So what I'm going to be doing is creating a drop down list in the yellow cells here where the user can choose between produce, meat and bakery. So how do we do this? The first thing we need to do is highlight with your mouse and drag down all the yellow cells here on the or in the department column. Then at the top in the ribbon you choose the data tab here. Now in the data tab you go across to data tools, and in data tools you choose data validation, and in the option here you choose data validation. Now it will bring up a pop-up box. Now this pop-up box will have three options at the top. You will have settings, input message, error alert. You will need to make sure settings is selected, then go down under the validation criteria, and in allow you need to choose list. Now we've chosen list, you will see another box appear which will say source, and in the source box we will need to type in our options. So the three options were produce, meat and bakery. Under each word or after each word, what you need to make sure is you put a comma there, because that will separate each word. So produce is my first word, comma, space meat, comma, space bakery. So those are my three options which I want the user to choose from. Once I'm happy with that, click on OK. Now what you will see now, under the first cell, the yellow cell, you will see a little arrow. Click on that arrow, you will see my options now appear. So I can choose produce for apples, beef, click on the yellow cell on the right side of beef, click on the arrow, meat is obviously beef is meat, and go so on and so forth. So obviously you can go down choosing each bit, making sure you've selected the correct one under each bit. Okay, so that's a quick and easy video showing you how to insert a drop down list in Microsoft Excel 2016. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe to our channel RA Solutions and share this video.